Okay, so now we're going to do our final part of our fast food spreadsheet project, and we're going to add some charts to visually represent our data. So the first thing I want to do is make a pie chart that will show how many calories each item that I've selected and how many a percentage of each is part of the whole. So I'm going to click and drag from name up here all the way to all of my calories. Then I'm going to do insert chart, and then I'm going to go to chart type, and I'm going to find a pie chart. So this is a nice pie chart. You could also choose one of these two, a donut pie chart or a 3D pie chart, which is what I like. You can change the way it looks like. It's a donut pie chart right now. I'm going to go ahead and customize chart style. You can change the background color if you wanted. I'm going to leave it blank. I'm going to go to pie chart, and it's got a 50% size of donut hole. I'm going to make it to like a 25% because I think that looks cool. And I'm going to change my slice label to value because it has the number of calories per. So you have the calories, and then you also have the percentage, which I like. Then I'm going to change my font to Garamond because I like that, and that's going to change. Looks like it's going to change this up here. Actually, it'll change the chart style to Garamond. Then I'm going to go to chart and axis titles. I'm changing those also to Garamond. There's the title. I'm going to change the name to percentage calories per item. That's cool. And then I'm going to go to, you could change the text color if you'd like. You could change the size of the font. I'm going to change the colors of each of my slice. So for the grilled chicken sandwich, I'm going to change that dark blue to like maybe like a light blue. I'm going to change my superfood side to maybe a nice, oh, I don't really like that color. Right there. I'm going to change my lemonade to maybe a light purple, and then I'm going to change my ice cream cone to maybe a light green. That's pretty. So I like the way this looks, and then I'm going to go to my legend and then also change my fonts over here. So that looks good. I really like the way this looks, and I'm going to click off, and that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and make that smaller. And if I ever want to edit, you can just double click on it. And I think I wanted to change my background color to white because it gets so you don't see the different cells behind it, and I like the way this looks. It looks really nice. I'll make it a little bit bigger so I can read all my words. And now I want to do a second chart, and that is going to be using calories and fat calories to show how much each item, what percentage are fat calories, what percentage are just regular calories, would be like protein and carbs. So I'm going to go ahead and click and drag to get all the names of my items. Then I'm going to hold down Control, which is something that we didn't do yesterday. Control, click and drag. Actually, let me try it one more time. Click and drag, then hold down Control, click and drag. Then I'm going to hold down Control and click and drag over fat calories. Then I'm going to insert a chart. And the chart I want is a stacked column chart. So here you can see the percentage of a chicken sandwich salad. Grilled chicken sandwich is only 54 calories for the whole sandwich. So it's not very much visually. Then I want to change, let's see, I want to go customize chart style. On this one I can change all of the words at once to a different. I'm going to change mine also to Garamond so they all match. I want to change the name. You can click over here to change the name. This one would be fat calories per item. That's cool. And then I'm going to change this name. That's going to be food. Oh, here. Click on here. And instead of name, I'm going to have food item. Change that name, and then of course I want to change the color. Where did I find that? think it's over here. I can click on here. Okay, the color. I'm going to make this like a nice like turquoise color or light blue. Click on this red and maybe make that one like a purple or something. So I like these colors. This looks really nice to me. I'm going to go ahead and click off, and I'm going to click and drag it down so it's all on in there together. And then you can turn it into Schoology. Once you finish that, make sure it has all of your information you need that we did on the first 2 days, plus these 2 charts. And I want to make sure that you do some stylistic changes to the chart that you're going to do as well.